Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize your character on the AFK Journey game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the AFK Journey game on your device, and once you have downloaded the resources and started a new game, you will be asked to choose your character. You can simply click on the character that you wish to select and you will be able to make your desired modification. You can choose the type of physique and you can choose the skin tone as well. There are also various outfits that are available, and you can also customize the features for the face, including the hair, the type of face, as well as eye color. Within the other section, you may also add various features such as facial hair. Now, when you tap on the info button, you will be told that except for your clothing, all of the initial character customizations can be modified within the game, which means that even after you choose your character, you will be able to modify everything else except for the clothing after you begin your journey mid-game as well. You are also allowed to choose your username, and you can also click on the random generator button in order to generate it randomly. Finally, tap on the begin your journey button and you will now be able to start your journey with your chosen character customization right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to customize your character on the AFK Journey game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.